Aha! Antimatter is like matter, moving backwards in time. If I take a beam of antimatter and transfer all of its energy to myself, I will, myself, travel into the past. Brilliant! Ha! I am in the right place! Exploring the possibilities that are interesting and could actually be looked for at the LHC. And those are, for instance, things that are called supersymmetric particles, or the constituents of the dark matter, and even the possibility that we make things such as unstable, tiny black holes that we make for a moment and then we see evaporate. All these things are things that will be explored by this machine and are justifications for our trying to use this machine to understand how nature is. What's going to happen is that the hour of truth will come. And the hour of truth for science is generally proving that something is wrong, because that's the way we definitely make progress. We have all these possible theories, and presumably most of them, maybe all of them, will just turn out not to be true, at least in this energy regime. And that'll be a very piece of progress. We will have understood something. That's the way science mainly makes progress, by proving things wrong. So the hour of truth will be the demise of very many of the hypotheses that we have made. The vacuum, it turns out, appears to be a substance in itself. The vacuum is not empty. If I take everything out of this room, including the air and the people and the lights, and I cool it to 0 temperature and nothing remains, then what is there, which is the vacuum, is actually different from nothingness. The vacuum is a substance and it has a personality. It does things. One of the things that we think the vacuum can do is to vibrate.
It's now time for questions. If you have any questions for Professor Alvaro de Rújula, he is, what is your field of speciality, Professor?
I'm a theoretical physicist.
There you go. Any questions on theoretical physics today? He'd be happy to answer them for you. There's a microphone out there somewhere, I understand. Any questions out there today? Yes, we have one at the back, I believe.
Questions don't have to be on theoretical physics.
No. They could be just about the running and operations of CERN. It's a very big operation. How many people involved in getting this project together, Professor Alvaro?
So we will be cooked sooner or later. Probably we're going to destroy ourselves much more efficiently than before.
Do we have any more questions? Yes, we do. We have a question over here. My Croatian friends.
Can you build a black hole here in the CERN?
This is a question that will require more time than I have. There has been a lot of noise in the press that we may fabricate something that will destroy the world. Now, we take this very seriously, not because it is serious, but because it frightens people. And we know that that is not possible. And when we say we know, we mean we know. So we are not only we're not in the center of the universe, we are not even made of what the universe is mainly made of. The universe is made of 5 times more of something that we call dark matter, which we have no idea what it is. We know it's there and we don't know what it is. So one of the things we're doing at the LHC is to try and produce particles that could be what we call candidates to be the dark mass of the universe. Since there is something out there that we don't know, we try to make it. That's one of our main aims at the LHC.